Hey, here is one Super Bee, 1969 Ram Air 440, automatic, tachometer, great car. Hey, I'm Jay Grams. We're at the Volo Auto Museum. Go to volocars.com to get all the specs, pricing on this car and a few hundred other collector cars that we have for sale. That's volocars.com. We also have shipping, financing, and a whole staff of people here willing and able to help you get your dream car. So questions, concerns, feel free to reach out to us and we'll talk with you. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. We're posting lots of great cars like this, several a day actually, and that's the way you can see them first. Let's take this Bee for a spin. Scorch red, beautiful. I mean, I fell in love with the car instantly. I love the black scoops, and you got the side scoops, the Bumble Bee stripe in the back. That's a modern twist on the Magnum 500s. They're billet aluminum wheels, nice new BF Goodrich tires. It's a North Carolina car. Body is straight, paint is beautiful. Vinyl top looks like it's new. Nice car. Tail panel is real nice. Bumper is rechromed. Trunk compartment has a new trunk pan. They did a fantastic job. You lift the mat, it's all shiny red paint. So it's all painted in here. Has a jack, has a spare, done up real nice. New weather strip. It's got bucket seats with the buddy armrest, they call it. You can flip it up and use it like a bench seat, or you have a nice armrest cushion there. You want to sit by your girlfriend? Put it up. If you're fighting with her, put it down. In the dash, it has a tachometer and gauges, has an AM/FM factory radio, embroidered Super Bee floor mats. The front end is all rebuilt. You can go to pictures on our website. It's got disc brakes in front, but it's all new. Bottom of the motor and the transmission are clean, like they are new. Actual ram charger, it forces the air into the carburetor. It's all detailed in here. I mean, it looks fresh in here. Everything on the firewall looks new. The brake booster is shiny. The master looks new. Alternator, distributor, it all looks new. Radiator, beautiful engine compartment. Has the original fender tag still attached as well. There you go. It's a nice interior, all redone. Underneath the car is solid front to back. All painted up real nice. We'll fire it up. This thing sounds really good. I just pulled it in here. Get the right key, we'll be good. Yeah, doesn't that sound nice? Well, that's a muscle car. That's why you buy these cars. They sound like that. New ones got technology, but they don't sound like that. Got power steering as well. So go to volocars.com. This one just came in. I haven't gone through and decoded everything. I'll put all the specs on our website. I don't want to shut it off. It sounds too good. It sounds real nice. It has thrush mufflers. I've been seeing more and more of those mufflers on cars. They have a distinct sound. I like it. So isn't this a good looking car? It's a real muscle car, Super Bee. You don't see those everywhere. Great colors, Ram Air. It's just got a lot going for it. So jump on volocars.com, check it out. If you like it, let us know. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. We're going to be posting a whole bunch more videos real soon. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.